Wow, this is good, man. Can I try this? Look, guys, I have a squishy. This is my black mom. She brought this for me. Then I'm hungry. Then this pom-pom. So what is that? Look there, guys. Can I eat that? Guys, I brought this. Can I wrap it? Guys, this is my mom phones. Can I look? What did she say? She say, "Dumb kid! Oh my god, the fuck!"